My name's David. I'm here to show you how to fulfill using Dropship. First, let's go to Sell. Let's click on Invoice. And then we can either click on the three dots and click Fulfill, or we can drill into the invoice itself. Inside here, I can click Fulfill, and I have three options: Direct, Pick, Pack, Ship, or Dropship. Let's click Dropship. It says, you have selected Dropship for this sales document. This will create a purchase order for your fulfillment of this order. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Inside here, we can edit the contact for the order. We can see our product. We can see our description. You'll see that we're unable to change the quantity. We can change the unit price, and we can save. After I save, if I click on the three dots, or I drill into the invoice, you'll see that I'm unable to fulfill here. I actually have to click on Sell, Invoice, and then fulfill it over here by clicking here and clicking Fulfill. When I click Fulfill, you can see that it just shows you the quantity, and you click Fulfill. It's now fulfilled. If I go back to the buy, you can also see it's fully received. This happens because when you fulfill using Dropship, the customer will place an order to you. You will place an order to the vendor. The vendor will then send the goods directly to the customer. So when the customer is fulfilled, it means the customer received the goods from the vendor. So that's why you see received here. Once in Sell, it's fulfilled. And that's a quick look at Dropship in Deskera Books.